Have you ever wondered about the true story of creation according to the Bible? Let me take you back to the very beginning, to Genesis, where it all started. In the beginning, there was nothing but darkness and void. Then God spoke those powerful words, "Let there be light." And just like that, light burst forth into existence, separating day from night. But this was just the beginning of an incredible 6-day journey of creation. On the second day, God created the sky, separating the waters above from the waters below. Then, on the third day, He gathered the waters below into seas and made dry land appear. But He wasn't done yet. He filled the earth with vegetation, plants yielding seeds, and trees bearing fruit. The fourth day brought us the sun, moon, and stars, lights in the sky to mark seasons, days, and years. Then came the fifth day, when God filled the seas with swimming creatures and the skies with flying birds of every kind. On the sixth day, God created all the land animals, from tiny insects to magnificent beasts. But the crowning achievement of creation was yet to come. God said, "Let us make mankind in our image." And so He created Adam and Eve, blessing them and giving them dominion over all creation. Finally, on the seventh day, God rested, not because He was tired, but to set an example for us and establish a pattern of rest and reflection. He looked at everything He had made and declared it was very good. You know what's fascinating? This account isn't just about how things came to be. It reveals something profound about God's nature. His creativity, His order, His power, and most importantly, His love in creating a perfect world for us to inhabit. Whether you're a believer or just curious about biblical accounts, this story has captivated minds for thousands of years, reminding us that according to Scripture, we're not here by accident. We're part of a grand, intentional design.